Hello folks, I know it's been a minute since I posted a video. Life's been really busy, so I haven't had a chance to get a lot of content out there, but I do want to share that I recently dropped my truck off at the dealership to get a recall issue addressed, and among the many things I had them look at, the camera button wasn't working for me when I clicked it, even when my car was in park. I would click it and nothing would change on the screen. And now I click it, it works just fine. And so they were able to diagnose it and found that it had to do with a technical service bulletin. So they ended up putting in an update to the system. And it all went under the warranty that I had purchased when I bought the truck. So I had to pay like $100 deductible for the warranty, and then they took a look at it. And let me take you to the work order sheet so you can see what that technical service bulletin number is, and if that's something that you're experiencing, maybe you can reference that as you go to the dealership. All right, well, here we go. If you look at this line, it essentially is a record of what I communicated to the dealership. So you can see customer states when he pushes the rear camera display is INOP when he pushes the button. Advised. So they tested and verified the concern, ran Oasis. I'm not sure what that is, probably some diagnostics thing. And there it is, a technical service bulletin number 232316. They found that it applied to the vehicle, so they reprogram all modules as required per the service and verified repair. All okay. So yeah, if anyone experienced that issue, maybe this might be a solve. But otherwise, I'll try to put more content out. And share with you guys my journey in owning a Ford F-150. All right, thanks.